Hello, I'm Brian with JavaPodz, showing you our new window static cling sticker. We're going to use this car right over here as an example. This is a window. We can put it on the back window or you can put it on the side window. I'm going to use the side window for example. Alright. Take the sticker and peel it off like that. And then on the inside of your car, you wipe off the area and then just stick it right there. Now, get all the wrinkles out. Look at that. It's right there on the inside of the window. Okay, now the good thing about it too is that if you don't want to put it there anymore, you just peel it right off. Also, I wanted to show you our new refrigerator magnet. A long time ago we had little circular ones, and now we have a big rectangular one. Now, we're not inside of a refrigerator, but the car is metal also, so I'll show you how it applies to metal. Over here, look at this sticker. How's that? So, we've got our new refrigerator magnet and our new window static cling sticker from JavaPodz.